Hello friends, here I am Darshan Sanjay Sancheti presenting before you how to import data from Excel to Tally. We will be importing all the data which is provided in Excel in Tally. First of all, we will shift that into specific format, that is date, debit, credit, amount, narration and voucher type. Go to bank statement. I will be first pasting withdrawals. Apply the filter, remove the blanks, copy the dates, and remember one thing, date should be in specific format. Ctrl Alt V, then amount, then narration. Voucher type is payment. Copy it as it is withdrawal. Then I will be debiting suspense account and credit Bank of Maharashtra. Go to accounts info, ledgers, alter, Bank of Maharashtra. Copy it from here, Ctrl Alt C, as there will be no spelling mistake. Ctrl V. Copy it. Then I will be debiting suspense account. Ctrl Alt C, Ctrl V. Copy it. Then similar procedure I will be applying to receipts. Remove the filter, apply it again. From deposits, remove blank, then copy dates, paste it here. Bank of Maharashtra will be debiting it and suspense credit it. Copy it, then copy the amounts, and then narration. Select voucher type as receipt. Now we have to do contra entries. So apply filter, instead of suspense account you should debit cash account for contra as it is withdrawal. Copy it, Ctrl Alt C and paste it over here, Ctrl V. Also, we can hit any other debit or credit instead of suspense. I will show you one. Instead of suspense account, I will be debiting petrol expense account. You can apply it where you have many transactions like 10 or 12 or above. Here I have 6 transactions. So I will be applying it by copying petrol expense from Tally. Ctrl Alt C. Then paste it over here. Ctrl V. Similar procedure. Remove the filter. Our sheet is ready. Save it. Go to Tally. Create voucher XML. Save it. You can copy it from here to Tally by clicking yes. Copy the path. You can see there is no voucher entry. Now import data, vouchers, give the path. The data is imported. Now you can see it by balance sheet, current account, bank account, Bank of Maharashtra, All the entries are being debited and credited. Also, along with their narrations, you can check it. You can also check it by closing balance. Here it appears 2,04,091 and in bank statement it is 2,04,091. So this procedure is very effective and you can apply it in day-to-day life for accounting. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe.